Hello mga karakit, it's me, Barbie, and welcome back to my page. Ayan. So for today's video mga karakit, ay meron naman akong i-share sa inyo isang job hiring na I'm sure magugustuhan ninyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga job seekers natin dyan. So without further ado, let's get started. Ayan, so magsisimula na nga po tayo mga karakit. Our first job ay mga karakit ay para po ito sa ating mga solid karakit subscribers sa Caloocan City. Ayan, so shout out po sa inyo. Ayan, so job hiring of staff search visa service cooperative is looking for service crew for Jollibee. Interview details on November 13 and 20, 2024 starts at 9 a.m. at Piso 6F, Caloocan City Hall, South Main. And on November 19, 2024 starts at 9 a.m. at Piso 3F, Caloocan City Hall, North. Ayan, so bring the following updated resume and valid ID. Ay, so qualification po nila dito mga karakit. 18 years old, high school, or as grad, with or without experience. So, yun po ating first job hiring mga karakit. So, good luck! Ayan, so proceed naman tayo mga karakit sa ating pangalawang job hiring para po ito sa ating El Salvador City karakit subscribers. Hello po sa inyo dyan. Ayan, so Philippines is looking for driver. Ayan, so qualification po nila dito mga karakit. High school grad. Ayan, so with driver license code 123 with experience and can start ASAP. Ayun, so for those who are interested applicants may send their resume through email na makita nyo sa screen ko, which is felfreshrecruitment@gmail.com. So yun po ating second job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Ayan, so proceed naman tayo sa ating third job hiring mga karakit. Walang iba kung hindi para po ito sa ating mga sulit karakit subscribers sa Naga City. Ayan, so sa mga taga Nagahanon, so you know, so Max Build Construction and Engineering Solution is looking for mechanical foreman, F-gas electrician, REC technician, pipe fitter, plumber, and mason. Ayan, so look for HR Annalyn maxbuild38@gmail.com. Ayan, so location po nila makarakit M&E Building, Unit 108G Alcantara Street, Naga City. Ayan, so yun pong ating third job hiring makarakit. So good luck! Ayan, so proceed naman tayo sa ating fourth job hiring makarakit. Walang iba kung hindi para po ito sa ating mga sulit karakit subscribers sa Lapu-Lapu City. Ayan, so Venture Management System Intelcorp is looking for female production operators. Ayan, so 5'4" or 163 cm minimum height. Ayan, so qualification po nila dito mga karakit, 1 year experience as production worker, high school grad, must have valid passport. Ayan, so apply now, send your resume or CV to apply at venturemanagement.net. Ayan, so yun po ating fourth job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Ayan, so proceed naman tayo sa ating fifth job hiring mga karakit. Walang iba kung hindi para po ito sa ating mga sulit karakit subscribers na gustong mag-OFW from United Kingdom. Ayan. So, United Kingdom is looking for pig farmers. Ayan, so with TISDA in situ certificate holder, gross monthly salary po nila dito mga karakit is 234,000 pesos. Ayan, so application details, makikita nyo po sa screen ko, which is our official link, /UK/pig farmer. Ayan, so the job requirements working 47 hours a week. The employer will arrange accommodation and you'll be under a 3-year contract. Ayan, so the deadline to apply for this job will be on December 23, 2024. So make sure to submit your application by this date to be consideration for the position. Ayan, sa note po mga karakit, for manpower polling only, no fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicants. Beware of illegal recruiters and human traffickers. Yeah, so yun po ating last job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Yun mga karakit, so na-share ko na sa inyo ang job hiring ko for today's video. Sana po ay palagi yung mga mag-apply na trabaho dahil yun lang din naman yung hangad ko na makapag-apply kayo ng trabaho. Ayan, so before tayo mag-end mga karakit, kung gusto niyo itong video ko ito, paki-like naman. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking page, subscribe na din and click the notification bells for more videos upload ko. Ayan, so thank you once again mga karakit. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Bye!